Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Expressing love is an art that requires creativity. While the word love is often used to convey this feeling, its true depth and beauty can be difficult to capture. Thankfully, the English language is rich with idioms that can help us paint a more vivid picture of our affections. Let's begin with a common one, blind date. It is when two people are set up to meet each other for the first time, usually by a friend or someone else. It is called blind date because they don't know much about each other before they meet. Ella arranged for me to go on a blind date with a guy from her office. She had never been on a blind date before, so she didn't know what to expect. Blind date can be exciting or a little bit scary because you are meeting someone new and you don't know how well you'll get along. Lovey-dovey describes behaviors or expressions of strong affection and romantic feelings between two people. It often refers to couples who show their love in a very sweet and sometimes excessive way. This can include hugging, kissing, or constantly saying loving things to each other. Whenever they are together, they are so lovey-dovey, holding hands and whispering sweet things to each other. He surprised her with a lovey-dovey text message on their anniversary, expressing his deep love for her. It can also be used to express behavior, gestures, or expressions that are excessively sentimental in the context of romance. May-December refers to a romantic relationship where there is a big age difference between the two people. The May person is usually younger and the December person is older. It suggests that the age gap between them is so noticeable, like the difference between the months of May and December on the calendar. Their May-December romance raised a few eyebrows, but they don't let the age difference affect their strong relationship. The May-December couple met at work, and their connection was so strong that the age didn't matter to them. These examples illustrate relationships where there is a noticeable age difference between the partners, but they are still able to maintain a meaningful and loving connection. Having a soft spot for someone means that you have a special affection for that person or thing. I have a soft spot for stray cats and cannot resist taking them in. It often implies that you feel a sense of tenderness, warmth, and fondness toward them. Soft spot also refers to a specific area or aspect where a person or thing is sensitive to harm, criticism, or influence. They found a soft spot in the enemy's defenses. This can be a weak point that is easily exploited or affected. A match made in heaven means a relationship, partnership, or combination of things that is exceptionally well suited, harmonious, and perfectly matched. Tom and Sarah are a match made in heaven. The combination of peanut butter and jelly is a classic example of a match made in heaven. They just go together so well. most likely heard the phrases tying the knot multiple times throughout your life. What does it mean? It means to get married or enter into a marriage. Steve and Liz have been dating for years and they finally decided to tie the knot next summer. Many couples dream of tying the knot in a romantic destination wedding. It is often used to describe the act of a couple committing to spend their lives together in a legally recognized union. The apple of my eye was commonly referred to the pupil of the eye because this part of the eye was thought to be round and solid like an apple. So this idiom is a descriptive phrase that people use to mean they adore someone or something in their life above anyone or anything else. It is clear to see that this newborn will be the apple of their parents' eye. You are the apple of my eye. This expresses a kind of warm love. And that's it for today's video on English idioms for spice up your love and relationship talk. If you found this video helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you!